Newly appointed spokesperson of the National People's Party (NPP), Ampreen Lyngdoh, today said that religious debates on communal lines in Meghalaya should not be entertained at any level. Slamming attempts by political leaders and parties to score brownie points on communal lines, Lyngdoh said that no political party should be allowed to get into communal arguments, especially before an election. The NPP leader made these remarks after Meghalaya unit of the Trinamool Congress TMC alleged that sleuths of the Intelligence Bureau are monitoring the Christian leaders and activities in the state. Meanwhile, Lyngdoh has hailed the MDA government for pushing for a separate cadre for the state, even as she stated that at present Meghalaya suffers largely because of the shortage of civil services operating and functioning in the state. Earlier, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma had mentioned that he had requested the bifurcation of the Assam Meghalaya cadre into two separate cadres instead of a combined one.
Now, to bring this debate into the state of Meghalaya at this stage is a little too late. And I feel that religious debates, communal lines in the state of Meghalaya should not be entertained at any level, at any reference. We have seen how the state of Meghalaya now suffers largely because of the shortage of civil services operating and functioning in the state of Meghalaya. It is correct after 50 years to take this forward to the Government of India, and the Government of India should look at it favorably.
Meghalaya